Hi, my name is Abby Berger, and I'm a Senior Programs Associate at the Foundation for Economic Education.
Today, I'm going to show you how to book a program with our Program Builder. To get started, click on the Classroom tab on our homepage, or type fee.org/classroom in your browser. Navigate to Design Your Own Program and press the Get Started button. Welcome to the Program Builder. To get started creating your own custom program, select Next Page. Select the topics that you're interested in, such as entrepreneurship, early American history, civics, and many more. What format works best for you? Online lecture, in-person workshop, or online discussion? When you're ready to proceed, select Next Page. Which best describes you? Are you ready to book a program now? Or are you interested and need more information? When do you want to host the program? Keep in mind that it takes us at least 2 weeks to put a program together. Who are your students? Public school, private school, or homeschool? What grade levels do you teach? 9th through 12th, AP College Prep, University, or none of the above? How many students are in your class? Keep in mind that we also offer Spanish programming. If that's something that you're interested in, select the box below. When you're ready to proceed, select Next Page. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. What best describes you? Select one of the options below. How did you discover FEE's programs? Select one of the options below. If somebody referred you to FEE, leave their name in this box. When you're ready to proceed, select Next Page. Tell us more about your location. Are you in the United States or are you international? Which of these best describes your location? Select one of the options below. Enter your location name and street address in the boxes below. If there's anything else you want us to know, feel free to leave those comments in this box. When you're ready to proceed, select Next Page. Thank you for filling out the Program Builder. To submit your application, press Submit. Otherwise, your request will not be received. Your application has been successfully submitted. Thank you for your time, and we'll be in touch soon.